how to create a Threads account. This tutorial shows you how to sign up and set up your Threads account on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. After that, search for Threads in the search bar and tap on the Threads app from the results. From there, tap on Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. At this point, open Threads once it's installed and you'll be greeted with the sign-up screen. In the next step, tap on Login with Instagram since Threads is directly connected to your Instagram account. Following this, enter your Instagram username and password to continue. Once done, Threads will pull in your Instagram profile information, including your name, profile photo, and bio automatically. From here, review your profile details and make any changes you want before proceeding. At this stage, choose your privacy preference. You can set your Threads profile to public or private, depending on who you want to see your posts. After this, tap on Join Threads to complete the sign-up process. Once completed, you'll be taken to your Threads home feed where you can start browsing posts from accounts you already follow on Instagram. Finally, tap on the pen icon to create your first thread and introduce yourself to the community. And that's it. If this guide helped you get started on Threads, give it a like, subscribe for more social media tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.